Hi guys, my name is Amol More and welcome to our Black Book chapter functions solving. Now we are on page number 3 and question number 5. Now the question says find a complete range of values of a for this to be satisfied. Okay, so over here there are two graphs, half raised to mod x and x square minus a. So we have a raised to x. There are two types of graphs. One graph is this and one graph is this. They all pass through 0 comma 1. Okay, now when over here just check, the value of x is going to minus infinity, so a has to be greater than 1 for this graph. Okay, and for this graph a has to be lesser than 1. Okay, our a is half, it means our graph is this particular graph. I hope this part is clear. Okay, so what we'll do is first we will plot the graph of half raised to x. Very simple. Let us plot the graph. So it will go something like this. At positive infinity, it will go 0. You can put the value of x as positive infinity and check 1 upon 2 raised to infinity, which is 0. But there is a twist. The twist is they have given half raised to mod x. And we always know the graph of mod x. How do we do that? First of all, we rub the negative part. Then we copy the positive part on the negative side. And this is our graph. So we got the value of half raised to mod x. So this is the graph of half raised to mod x. Very simply we have drawn it. Now they have also given us x square minus a. Now, this is a very simple graph. X square, suppose it was x square, so x square would be something like this. It's a parabola, but it has to be pushed a unit downwards because there is minus a. So what we will do is we will push it a unit downwards. So let me push it a unit downwards. So initially this value would be 0, but now this value would be 0 comma minus a, because initially the value was 0 0, but a unit downwards, so 0 and 0 minus a, which is minus a only. Now we need to calculate the value of a. Now suppose the value of a is such that the graph is coming somewhere here, then there won't be any solutions because this parabola and this half raised to mod x is not cutting at all, and everyone knows this value is 0 comma 1. It means this vertex 0 comma minus a can move here, 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 here and here, but it cannot move ahead, it cannot go up, because this has to have a satisfaction. And when it can be satisfied, when your graph is maximum shifted to this point, and if it shifts to this point there is no solution. It means what? It simply means this minus a should always be less than 1. Minus a should always be less than 1, and it can also be equal to 1. Why? Because if you check this, if it is equal to 1, then also there is one satisfactory solution. Okay, so minus a is less than or equal to 1. So a is greater than or equal to minus 1. Therefore a belongs to minus 1 to infinity. Minus 1 included, infinity excluded. So our correct option has to be minus 1 to infinity, which is option D. Thank you for watching the video guys, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.